Hi friends, welcome to Tasty Food and Lifestyle. As the title suggests, in this video we are going to see Home Essential Shopping Haul. It's been a long time since we had gone for shopping. Recently we shopped at Home Center and Padi Saravana stores. The details about the products and the shop address will be given in the description box for further reference. Without further delay, let's get into the video. First, we will see the products from Saravana stores. The mat is turquoise in color with a bold red welcome marking on it. It was elegant, and recently I have developed an interest to collect turquoise colored products, so I purchased it. Next is a multi-purpose 3-tier rack. This rack can be used for storing stationery items, in kitchen to store crockery, and for other various storage purposes. Anti-slip mat are very useful in lining drawers, shelves, cupboards and fridge compartments. Mainly, it will not allow the things kept to move. Best suited to keep glassware. I bought these plates to serve snacks for kids. These colorful plates will encourage the kids to eat their snacks. These small bowls is very useful for serving purpose. We bought them for our cooking videos. As a new normal, we are all spending most of the time at home. Just to add freshness to the home, I bought these artificial flower pots for decorative purpose. As I'm planning to set a study table for my daughter, I purchased this stationery organizer which is attractive and in bright pink color. This is a small serving tray. It can be used during tea time to serve coffee or tea and biscuits, or it can be kept in dining area to keep some snacks, water bottle and pepper and salt shakers. This is a double-sided magnetic writing board. One side you can use whiteboard marker and the other side you can use a chalk to write on the blackboard. This board comes with a marker and two magnets. This beautiful flower plate can be used for serving and organizing purposes. This pink organizer can be used to store medicines, cosmetics, skincare products, etc. Now let's see home center products. Check Home Center website for latest offers and promotions. This is a hand-painted Buddha portrait. According to Feng Shui and Vastu, keeping paintings of Lord Buddha brings prosperity and great fortune. This is the Ocean Pyramid iced beverage glassware set. It comes in two different sizes. One is 330 ml juice glass, 6 numbers, and the other one is 300 ml water glass, 6 numbers. This is Home Center Mandarin set of 3 coffee mugs. It is made out of fine bone china. It is microwave and dishwasher safe, easy to clean and maintain, will not observe colors and flavors. Large loop handle is comfortable to hold. This cutting board is from RB Collection. It is made from bamboo and is integrated with knife sharpener. It is non-porous and antibacterial. The board has soft surface and it will not dull the knives. It is natural and eco-friendly. These are dining table mats. They come in a pack of 6. It is in turquoise, black and white in color. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the shopping haul, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.